Good morning. Good morning. It is me, Regina Green, your life design strategist. And I help entrepreneurs to move with clarity, confidence, and courage when it comes to their call so that they can experience a life of time and financial freedom, doing what they love and not just what they were told that they had to do. And so I shared on a post, if you go back and check it out, I shared a post that I'm going to be going live for the next 6 days because I'm going to share the top 10 fears that I faced and had to deal with when it came to starting my business. And so today I am starting on fear number one. So for 6 days, I'm going to share my personal journey with you, and hopefully it will be able to encourage you and inspire you to be able to look at yourself and say, why am I not starting my business? Or if I've already started my business, am I operating in these spaces of fear causing me not to get the results that I want? And so I like to be really, really, really open and honest when it comes to this business world. I don't believe that being an entrepreneur is for everybody. I don't believe that everybody should, quit their jobs and walk away. But I do believe that some are called to walk away and become an entrepreneur, become a business owner, and help people with their gifts and their talents, because we can use our gifts, talents, and skills anywhere that we go. I just believe that some are called to do it in the marketplace, and I'm one of those people, and I'm talking to those people who feel called to that. And so I want to share the number one fear. So stay with me as we move through the next 6 days. So I'm committing, and I want you all to hold me accountable for showing up for 6 days straight, sharing with you what these fears are. And so today, my number one fear, press share, please. Press share. Hashtag replay if you're watching the replay, and let me know that you are, if you have any questions, or if you're, tuning in, where you're tuning in from. So the first fear is failure. Fear of failure. Fear of failure. Imagine showing up and putting everything that you have, your hopes, your dreams, your finances, into starting your business, and only to watch it crash and burn. That is a huge fear that probably most people have. That is actually one of the big fears that a lot of my clients have is, what if I fail? What if I walk away from my job and fail? Or what if I start a business, even if I don't walk away from my job? What if I start and I fail? So fear of failure is huge because we play in our minds what could go wrong versus what could go right. I did the very thing. Used to being on a job, working, making money, getting paid every week, which we look at as stability. Getting paid every week, making sure that money's coming in, you're getting paid well, and to know that you're going to walk away not sure how that's going to come in. It looks like it's not really stable, but in reality, what is stability anyway, right? And so the fear of failure, of failing, one of the ways, and for me, how did I overcome this fear? Because that's what the goal of these videos is, to tell you how I overcame and how you can find a way to overcome these things and get started. Because I want you to really move forward in what it is you're called to do. Because I promise you, on the other side of that fear is amazingness, is greatness. Not saying that there will not be challenges, but I promise you that when you start really removing yourself out of this and really moving forward towards what you know you're gifted at, skilled at, and talented at, and really begin to monetize it, you're going to see a whole new world that's on the other side of it. I know that I did. I did not know this online world existed. I did not know that you can make money from home using your gifts and skills. I've seen it a little bit, but I didn't know it was possible for me. But anyway, fear of failure, and how did I overcome it? So I had to redefine what success looked like for me. So what does success look like for you? I realized that it just wasn't enough to have a decent job with a decent pay. Security wasn't my definition of success. And let me say that again. Security was not my definition of success. So for me, success meant chasing my dreams and achieving my goals. And that's when I realized that I probably was failing by staying in the place where I thought I should have been, where I thought I was secure at. So really redefining what success really looks like for you. What is it that you really want? Or are you really going towards those goals that someone else told you that you had to go towards? Do you really want to be working a job that you kind of like, enjoy what you do, but you really feel that pulling and that drawing, that there's something more, there's something different? For you, you need to redefine success. For me, that's what I had to do, and it worked. When I found out, because when I walked away, I felt like a failure. I'm just telling the truth. I felt like a failure because what I thought was successful was showing up on a job, getting paid well to a certain kind of company was success. But to me, I had to look at, what is success for me? What does that look like? And that helped a lot of the pressure go down and me to begin to write out some of the goals that I wanted to achieve, that I felt like God aligned me to, that gave me peace, because God will give you the desires of your heart. He gives you those desires. So he began to give me desires that align with his truths, with his destiny that he had for me. And that's when I began to understand, wait a minute, this fear of failure. I'm not failing. I'm actually winning. I was failing by not moving towards the dreams and goals that already belong to me, right? So hey, I want to help you get your first 1K. I want to help you get your first 1K in business. If that is you and you're wondering, how can I get my first 1K? How can I move forward in this thing? How can I have a plan to be able to leave my job if you don't want to leave your job? But how can I make extra income coming in to pay off some of this debt that I have, pay off some of these bills, or even go on vacation, put my kid in private school, whatever it is that your goal is? How can I do that? How can I become clear about what it is that I offer? How do I take my gifts, my skills, and my talents and be able to monetize it with the business model that matches with your personality, with what you want? I'm going to show you how to do it so that you can make the 1K that you want to make. I'll show you how to purposely put it all together. What is your purpose? A lot of people are like, I don't know what my purpose is. Well, join me in this group program. I have 10 spaces, and go back and look. It is a very good price. I have my early bird special going on where you can pay in payments. You can pay in payments right now, 2 payments. So go back and check it out. It is on my page. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the price. You'll see how many weeks it is. You'll see when it starts, which is March 23rd. And I put it on a time where I think people can come, which is around 7 o'clock in the evening on Tuesday evenings, I believe. So join me. I'm excited about it. Please share this video with anyone who you know may need this, who's dealing with some of these things, because I know that I'm not the only one that deals with these things. If we be honest with ourselves, we can overcome it, though. That's the good thing. We can overcome it together with help. So if you want to be a part of my first 1K group program, go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll be happy to chat with you to see if this is a fit for you. If not, then share it with someone that you know who it would be a fit with. I appreciate you. Again, my name is Regina Green. Hi, Mom. Thank you for joining. And I am your life design strategist, and I help you to move with clarity, confidence, and courage when it comes to your call, so that you can live and experience a life of time and financial freedom, doing what you love and not just what you were told to do. So I want to help you take those gifts and talents and skills, monetize them, create the business model that works for you, and move forward. All right. I hope that this has helped you. Please share, and I'll chat with you later. Bye.